Want to search the web instantly without opening your browser? In this video, I will show you how to add a Bing search bar directly to your Windows 11 desktop. It's quick, simple, and make your workflow much faster. Let's get started. First of all, we open up the Microsoft Edge browser and you can click on the top right corner to access the setting menu and go to the more tools. In the more tools, you can click launch search bar, and now you can see the search bar it's already, and you can move this search bar to place the anywhere on the desktop. Through this search bar you can quickly search something directly from your desktop. You can also drag and drop image or upload image here to search for some information for the image. I hope this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.